Unicorns Gaming, and today we are back with another video for you to enjoy. And today I'm showing you how to add info cards to your videos, like this one up here now. This is a link to TikTok Fitness's channel, by the way. You should go subscribe to him. He's my little brother. So most people, they'll start on YouTube, but actually you don't. So go to YouTube Studio, enter. And now we wait for it to load. Okay, go to YouTube Studio. Got a little bit of ASMR. I'm going to leave Safari and go to Google Chrome because everyone likes Google. Chrome isn't your default browser. That's bad. I'm going to do this. You what, mate? No, I can't afford to do all that. Yes, I agree. Sign in. Okay, YouTube Studio. Now, if this doesn't load, I'm going to destroy all of life. 3, 2. Wow, that's a lot of results. Look at that. In 0.47 seconds. Wow, that's pretty cool. 3, 2, 1. Boom! Bam! Boom. See, Google Chrome works. Stupid foxing thing. Okay, so it's taken me 20 minutes. Okay, so you go to YouTube Studio, go to videos, make sure you're logged into your YouTube channel, go to videos, and then you wait. I'm done with waiting. Oh, there we go. Okay, so you double click, so you find the video, you double click on it, and then wait for everything to load. Scroll down, click on cards. Oh god, it's loading. Ha 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 ha, get wrecked. Okay. Hey there guys, it's Miller's Unicorns Gaming, and today we are back. I've got close the gate behind us. Turn that lets people read more, which is kinda weird. You like a short nap in Minecraft. That'd be cool. Comment yes or no if you think that would be cool, or in the info card if I put one there. Food chest, shutting the door, or in the info card if I put one there. So then you click add card, click poll. Should you be okay? Choose one. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go in there. Okay, so you add card, and now that card is there. Okay, I'm gonna quickly watch through the video and add some cards. I'll be back in a sec, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. I've added all of the info cards. So when you it turns out there wasn't anything else. I thought I mentioned TikTok Fitness or something. That was in this video. Okay, so when you've done that, all changes saved. So you can you can return to YouTube Studio. Sorry, I leant back away from the mic for a bit there. I'm going to have the cow as disgusting little butt. Okay, title, my mind. Okay, yeah. Save changes and you're done. I'm on YouTube now. That was an awkward few seconds. Okay, so I'm on YouTube now. Okay. So go to your channel. Allow notification. And look, so you go to your thingamajig. I know it was like 2 minutes and something seconds. So I'm going to fast forward to like 2 minutes something seconds. Okay. Oh yeah.
Update it so you can have like a short nap in Minecraft. That'd be cool. Comment yes or no if you think that would be cool, or in the info card if I put one there. Food chest.
Yeah,
shutting the door.
Should you be able to nap during the day?
Spare room, which I don't really use. Glass wall.
Why is this such
ASMR.
a bad quality? Why is this
Gonna
such a bad
go up
quality?
my
I just realised.
again.
So yeah, guys.
And boom!
Shut up, me. Okay, so that's how you add info cards. I hope you liked this video. Remember to leave a like and subscribe, like every YouTuber says, begging for love. Anyway, see you on the next one. Goodbye.